The immune system is a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body from harmful agents. It is divided into two primary lines of defense: the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. Both systems play critical roles in defending the body, but they do so in different ways and are activated at different stages of the immune response.
5 skincare tips to prevent your eczema flare up. Number 1, moisturize. Use a moisturizer which is ceramide based to keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. Tip number 2, choose a fragrance free product. Fragrance is typically the number one cause of your eczema flare ups in skincare. And that's because a lot of skincare contains artificial fragrance to make it more palatable and easier for people to apply on your skin. Number 3, avoid bathing in hot water. Bathing in hot water strips out the necessary ceramides on your skin. So make sure when you're bathing, use either room temperature water or lukewarm water. Number 4, always keep your environment humid. A dry weather can aggravate eczema. So always keep a humidifier with you in your home or in your room and keep it turned on throughout the entire day. And tip number 5, use prescription medication when necessary. I understand that a lot of people with eczema try.
Innate immunity, the first line of defense. The innate immune system is the body's first line of defense and is present from birth. It includes physical barriers like the skin, mucous membranes, and fluids such as saliva, sweat, and tears. These barriers act as a protective shield, preventing harmful pathogens from entering the body. The innate immune system also includes a variety of white blood cells, proteins, and other molecules that work together to neutralize and eliminate threats. Key components of the innate immune system include physical barriers like the skin and mucous membranes, which form a tough defense against pathogens. Phagocytes, specialized white blood cells like neutrophils, macrophages, and dendritic cells, patrol the body and engulf harmful microorganisms. Inflammation is another critical response, triggered when the body detects a pathogen or injury. This process increases blood flow to the affected area, bringing more immune cells to fight the infection. Lastly, the complement system is a collection of proteins found in the blood that helps destroy pathogens by marking them for destruction or directly attacking them. These responses are immediate but non-specific, meaning they don't learn or remember specific pathogens. Adaptive immunity, the body's specialized defense. The adaptive immune system, also known as acquired immunity, is more sophisticated and specific than the innate immune system. It has the ability to recognize specific pathogens, remember them, and mount a stronger defense if the pathogen is encountered again. This memory is the basis of vaccinations, which train the immune system to recognize and fight off specific diseases without causing illness. The adaptive immune system centers around lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell. There are two primary types of lymphocytes, T cells and B cells. T cells are responsible for cell-mediated immunity, recognizing and destroying infected cells. They include helper T cells, which assist other immune cells, and cytotoxic T cells, which directly kill infected cells. B cells produce antibodies when they encounter a pathogen. These antibodies target and neutralize pathogens, marking them for destruction by other immune cells. After the pathogen is cleared, memory cells are created, which remember the pathogen. These cells can quickly respond if the pathogen is encountered again, leading to a faster and more effective immune response. The process of immune response. The immune system is constantly working to protect the body from infections and diseases. Here's how the immune response typically unfolds. Step 1. Recognition of the pathogen. The first step in the immune response is recognizing the pathogen. This occurs through pattern recognition receptors, PRRs, on the surface of immune cells. PRRs are able to detect common patterns found on pathogens, called pathogen-associated molecular patterns, PAMPs, that are not present in human cells. When a pathogen is detected, the immune system is activated. Step 2. Activation of the innate immune system. Once a pathogen is recognized, the innate immune system kicks into action. Phagocytes like macrophages and neutrophils are called to the site of infection. They engulf the pathogen, neutralize it, and present pieces of it, called antigens, on their surface. This helps alert other immune cells, particularly T cells, to the presence of the pathogen. Step 3. Activation of the adaptive immune system. The antigen-presenting cells, APCs, play a crucial role in activating the adaptive immune system. These cells, which include dendritic cells and macrophages, travel to the lymph nodes and present the antigens to T cells. When a T cell recognizes the antigen, it becomes activated and begins to multiply, producing both helper T cells and cytotoxic T cells. Helper T cells stimulate B cells to produce antibodies, while cytotoxic T cells directly kill infected cells. The activated B cells produce antibodies that target and neutralize the pathogen. Step 4. Memory formation. After the pathogen has been eliminated, memory cells are formed. These cells remember the pathogen and remain in the body for long periods, sometimes even a lifetime. If the same pathogen is encountered again, the immune system can mount a faster and more effective response, preventing reinfection. The role of the immune system in disease. The immune system plays a critical role in protecting the body from disease, but sometimes things can go wrong. There are several conditions where the immune system fails to function properly. Autoimmune diseases. In autoimmune diseases, the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own cells as if they were foreign invaders. Common autoimmune diseases include rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and multiple sclerosis. Immunodeficiency. Immunodeficiency occurs when the immune system is unable to properly defend the body from infections. This can be congenital, as in primary immunodeficiency disorders, or acquired, as in HIV/AIDS, which weakens the immune system over time.
How do you build immunity to seasonal allergies? There's really only 3 ways that you can treat allergies. If you're allergic to something like cats and dogs, you can avoid it by, not being around the cat. But that can be hard for things like pollen and tree pollen and grass pollen. The other option is you can take antihistamines like Claritin, Zyrtec, or Allegra, or you can do nasal sprays to try to help avoid the symptoms. These will help you for about 6 to 8 hours, but they're not going to cause a permanent change. The only way to cause permanent relief for your allergies is through a technique called immunotherapy. Using immunotherapy, you expose your body to small doses of what you're allergic to until over time you become desensitized. There's 2 ways of doing immunotherapy. You can do weekly allergy shots, or you can do sublingual immunotherapy, which you can take under the tongue. Both methods are going to cause exposure until over time you become immune.
Allergies. Allergies occur when the immune system overreacts to harmless substances like pollen, dust mites, or certain foods. The immune system treats these substances as harmful, triggering an immune response that leads to symptoms like swelling, itching, and difficulty breathing. Chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation occurs when the immune system is constantly activated in response to an ongoing infection or injury. Over time, this can contribute to diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Supporting your immune system. A healthy immune system is essential for overall health, and there are several ways you can support it. One of the most important factors is eating a balanced diet, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides the nutrients needed for optimal immune function. For example, vitamin C found in citrus fruits and leafy greens supports immune function and helps protect against oxidative damage. Vitamin D, which can be found in fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and sunlight, plays a key role in immune regulation. Zinc, present in nuts, seeds, and legumes, supports immune cell development and helps fight infections. In addition to a healthy diet, regular exercise is essential for maintaining a strong immune system. Physical activity improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and supports overall health, making it easier for the immune system to function effectively. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise each week to keep your immune system in top shape. Sleep is another critical component of immune health. During sleep, the body repairs and regenerates immune cells, and inadequate rest can impair immune responses. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow their immune systems to function optimally. Additionally, chronic stress weakens the immune system by increasing the production of stress hormones like cortisol. Managing stress through activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature can help reduce its negative impact on your immune health. Lastly, staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining mucous membranes, which are an important part of the body's defense against pathogens. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps maintain hydration, and eating water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables also supports immune function. The immune system is an incredibly sophisticated network that protects the body from a wide range of harmful invaders. Understanding how the immune system works can help you make informed decisions about your health and take steps to support your immune function. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and hydration, you can strengthen your immune system and reduce the risk of infection and disease. Remember, a well-functioning immune system is essential for long-term health, and with the right care, it can continue to protect you throughout your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones.